Hi Fusion followers, with the recent increase in people working from home, we've put together a few tips on how you can set up your home office in an ergonomic way. Some quick rules. Aim to have your joints in a supported neutral position. Of particular importance is to have good support for the thighs and back, and to have feet in contact with the floor. It is also best to work in a well-ventilated space with good lighting and a comfortable temperature. Remember to wear your glasses if you would normally wear them to work. When setting up a monitor or screen, it is recommended that the top of the screen is at eye level and the screen is arm's length away. This helps minimise the exertion of the eyes and neck. Try not to squint or poke your head forward to see the screen. The same basic rules apply when using a laptop at home. Use books or a laptop raiser to bring the screen to eye height and sit with the screen at arm's length. If possible, utilise a separate keyboard and mouse for typing and scrolling. If your laptop screen is too small, you might even choose to mirror your screen to an external display. This might be a monitor or even a smart TV. Forearms should rest horizontally and be supported by the desk or armrest where possible. Allow enough room on the desk to rest the wrists in front of the keyboard, but not so much room that you need to reach forward from the shoulder to reach the keys. The mouse should be close into the keyboard so that the hand is in line with the elbow and not sitting too far outside the body. If you use a vertical or side-on mouse at work, consider using the same or similar at home. When setting up your chair, first aim to choose a chair that can be adjusted to suit your dimensions and provides good support. Aim to sit deep in the chair to utilise as much thigh support as possible and allow the chair to support the lower back. It is recommended to adjust the seat height so that the thighs are parallel to the floor and the feet are flat against the ground. If the feet are dangling, consider using a footrest. The backrest of the seat should support as much of the back as possible, ideally to the top of the shoulder blades. You may need to balance out having the backrest as high as possible and having the lower back support in the right area. Once that is all set, it is recommended to sit with the backrest reclined to around 10 degrees. This way, gravity helps us settle back against the chair and utilise its support. Sitting too upright for long periods is not sustainable, and most of us will tend to get tired and slump forward. The last thing to remember with your chair position is to sit in as close to the desk as possible and sit squarely in front of your screen. Some additional supports you can use at home are a lumbar support roll or a lumbar support towel, as shown. A few things to try and avoid while working from home is perching on stools, working from your bed, or working from the floor. These positions will lead to muscle fatigue faster or put your joints closer to end of range and are best avoided. Finally, it is important to move your body regularly and change up your position frequently throughout the day. Aim to stand up and stretch or go for a short walk at least every 2 hours. This will decrease fatigue and increase circulation. Some strategies for this are to set an alarm, walk to the kitchen for a drink, stand up for phone calls, or set up the printer or bin in a different room for an excuse to stand up and move your body. Check out our other post which takes you through some simple stretches to help break up your workday. To recap, the key takeaway messages to remember are: check monitor height and distance, readjust chair position and fit, keyboard and mouse interaction, your dynamic interaction with your desk and computer.